what are the market forces? What are the market forces? Now this is very important. I will be using it continuously in all my lectures almost. Market forces के बारे में you need to have a very good understanding. This is an important topic. इसमें हम कुछ concepts पढ़ेंगे precisely. मैं ये शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ एक particular example से. What are market forces? Precisely जब हम market forces की बात करते हैं, we call it the market forces of demand and supply. This is what we call market forces of demand and supply. Now demand and supply में what is demand and what is supply उसके बारे में idea होना चाहिए. और supply demand से हमें क्या मिलता है? We get market equilibrium, और market equilibrium से हमें market price और market quantity मिलती है. What ये सब मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ आपको सब समझ आएगा. Now see, let's take an example. Example क्या है? जब monsoon आता है इंडिया में, and say for example because of some global issues, कोई आपका एल नीनो वाला इशू हो गया, तो monsoon आपका यहाँ पर कम आ गया. The monsoon rains have decreased. What will happen to the food prices in India? I'm asking you. अगर monsoon कम आया, what will happen to the food price? Food prices will increase. Why? Why will the food prices increase? Because monsoon कम आने की वजह से food production आपकी गिर जाएगी. जब food production कम हो जाएगी, supply of food will be low, and when supply is less, there are less products in the market and the demand is more, it will increase the price. It will increase the price. Now ये जो आपका relationship है कि monsoon कम आने की वजह से prices बढ़ जाएंगे, this is the concept of demand and supply. ये कैसे हुआ? It happened because of demand and supply. Another example, one more example. You know, Delhi is the state with great pollution. और दिल्ली में जब मर्करी की लेवल्स काफी ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है, मर्करी लेवल्स काफी ज्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, with high amounts of mercury in Delhi, hotel prices in Shimla increase. Hotel prices in Shimla increase. And this is a fact. कि जब दिल्ली में pollution की levels बढ़ जाती है, people avoid go to Delhi and they actually go to Shimla for vacations. और जब वो शिमला जाते हैं, शिमला में डिमांड ज्यादा हो जाती है होटल्स की, और जब डिमांड ज्यादा होगी, प्राइसेस अपने आप ऊपर आ जाएंगे. This is again the concept of demand and supply. Now how mercury levels in Delhi has increased the hotel prices in Shimla, that is the concept of demand and supply. Likewise, let me give you another example. We know जब भी समर वेकेशन होती है, समर वेकेशन जब होती है, we go with our families to some place, और आप कहीं वेकेशन पे जाना चाहते हैं, you want to enjoy with your family, and whenever summer vacation happens, छुट्टियां मिल गई आपको स्कूल से, समर वेकेशन के टाइम we have seen that air tickets के जो prices है, they rise, ticket prices again increase. अब वेकेशन से कैसे टिकट प्राइसेस बढ़ते हैं? That is the concept of demand and supply. Now you understood that demand and supply is the center stage of economics. Demand and supply से ही सब कुछ डिसाइड होता है. प्राइस किसका क्या होगा, किस वजह से चेंज हो रहा है, what are the reasons behind changing prices? That is all that is the concept of demand and supply. Okay, now whenever we come out with a policy, जब भी हम एक policy लेकर आते हैं, and you don't know how the policy is going to actually result, इसका result कैसा होगा, you don't know that, and you want to check it out कि अगर मैं ये policy implement करूंगा, what will be the possible impact of the policy? If I come up with an economic policy and I want to check that what is going to be the impact of the particular policy. Now to check that impact of the particular policy, what do I have to check? Actually its impact on demand and supply. कोई भी policy की efficiency देखने के लिए you'll have to check its impact on demand and supply. अगर किसी policy से supply side constraint हो जाएगा, supply कम हो जाएगी, that is not a good policy. अगर किसी policy में demand काफी ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगी, that is again not a good policy. So we'll have to maintain a balance. तो policies की efficiency भी हम demand and supply से देखते हैं. Fine. This encompasses our introduction of market forces. तो market forces आपके यही demand and supply होते हैं.